Visit Tanzania.
Ngorongoro crater is amazing. We love it.
It's really more than my expectations.
It was beyond my imagination.
We're in a sea of zebras. They're coming very close, surrounding our vehicle.
The best was the zebra welcoming us. That was great. That was a big surprise.
This is awesome. We feel like we are in a zebra conference in Ngorongoro.
I love it. They're hugging. It's nice to see, it's refreshing.
Well, African Queen, we cannot find any word to express my feelings about the services.
It was a wonderful experience.
All was given by African Queen.
Thank you so much for the experience.